Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Zafrullah. As you know that we are having online classes, presentations and assignments due to this critical situation. Today I am here to present my MIS business plan. So let's start. My business plan is to launch a e-menu device that will replace menu cards. This device will be placed on each table of the restaurant. The device and theme will be formatted as per consumers' demand. For example, we have made a theme sample for Sindhudi restaurant. This page is for ordering food and this one is for paying bill. You would have seen e-menu devices in multiple brands including KFC and McDonald's, but our device is different in comparison. Those devices are used just to view a menu, whereas our device will be used to order a food and for paying bills. In addition, this device is going to solve multiple problems that restaurants face while using menu cards. For instance, restaurants need more employees and more salary for them. Consumer wait for waiters to order. Sometimes waiters misunderstand the order. Then difficulty in keeping record. So by using e-menu, these problems can be solved. First, they will bear less cost of salary because of less employees will be needed. Consumer will not be waiting for waiters. There will be less chances of error in ordering food. Then it will be easy to maintain records. Business process. Consumer has to just contact us by call or email. We will reach them and discuss them all the problems they are facing. Then we will do every possible effort to convert their traditional work into automation by designing software according to their problems. Supply chain. We are going to have selected market restaurant, so we don't need external suppliers, distributors and retailers. We can manage our products delivery by ourselves. All we need is raw material by manufacturers to make our product for consumers. Marketing and advertising channel. We have targeted market. It won't be useful if we spend marketing budget on TV commercials, newspapers and social media. Thus we would have marketing team that will visit different cities and meet with managers and owners of restaurants. Our team would brief them about our products by showing them samples. This is going to be little challenging for our marketing team. Also, it is very time-taking process, but it is one of the best way and effective way of marketing for that selected market. Revenue model. Consumer will be charged for the device we will provide, application we will install, and service charges by our experts who is going to install the application and train their employees for it. And last, we will charge them a delivery charges because we will supply them devices by our own suppliers. Thank you.